Again, a great community contribution, another way to recover your root password. Let's check out. Before we go on, if you're watching this in a short form, go check the long form so you can have better readability. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps for the next videos. I'm also going to do a full video compilation of all the methods and also an extra video on how to prevent this from being possible. Like and subscribe to get notified. Let's go. So community member Aaron Play shows us a method. I'm not going to read it. It's here. I'm going to show you guys. So let's execute Aaron's method, but there is a little thing you need to be aware of, but I will show you next. So this is the usual thing. You should know by this point how to get there, and you just type rw init equals keyboard layout /bin/sh. So this is going to boot a shell, not the bash shell, but a shell. This is also probably more likely to be present in more Linuxes than the actual bash shell itself. So it just works. sh is just a little bit more flawless. Bash may not be present in some Linuxes, even though it's unusual, but may happen. Shell, it's everywhere. You just type the password, pastlbd, and you just do your thing. And now the next step is to reboot, but don't do it yet. If you have slnux enabled, put the auto reliable file, because or else let me make sure auto reliable. So if you have slnux enabled, make sure you have the auto reliable file there, or else things will occur. If you're not sure, just put the file there and prevent stranger things from happening. Now you need to reboot. The reboot command does not exist, or any other command. Even if I put the full path, it will just not work at this point. So the reboot command does not work, init command does not work, sysctl does not work. Just reboot the server, power on, power off. If it's in the cloud or virtualization, reboot the server in some method, it's fine. Let it just boot as normal, and you should get your regular desktop. Reboot the server, and you just see your logging screen as usual after this finishes, and you will just get everything back as usual. Just need to wait, and in a few seconds you should be able to see our regular Linux desktop.